creativity, with a little imagination, you can actually create a holiday of going to the beach. I'm on holiday right from the comforts of my home. Do your kids' friends holiday? But you guys never holiday, so your kids get really upset. Well, then this episode is for you. Did you know kids love holidays because of the experience, because of the stories they can share? Interestingly, you can actually build a holiday right from the comforts of your home. With a little creativity, with a little imagination, you can actually create a holiday of going to the beach. We're on a holiday. On the beach. Matanui. Obviously, आपको पता है कि ये beach नहीं है. This is right in our London home.
I'm gonna Hawaii skirt.
Oh, Samaya's talking about Hawaii.
I'm a Hawaii skirt.
Yes, darling. Come on in then. Now, you see, there are so many kids who go out on holidays. Some are going skiing, some are going camping, some go on cruises. But some kids just never holiday. Perhaps parents are busy, or they have tighter budgets, or they don't have the time. So what happens to those kids? Because you see, kids want a holiday because they love the experience. They want to talk about what happened, the lovely sand, the blue ocean, the fish that they saw, the warm breeze that they enjoyed. So parents don't have to worry. Well, because Samaya is one of those kids, because we rarely holiday. But we can actually create an experience right here. So we are on the beach, as you can see. It's really warm, and we've created a lovely experience. So much so that we have coconuts, we have tropical fruits, we've worn warm clothes, the hat, the goggles, also the sunblock. And we also made a lunch which is tropical, filled with rice and veggies and prawns, just to give her an experience that we are out on a holiday. And the most important thing, we are playing her favorite film, which is based on Matanui, the magical island. बच्चों को holidays क्यों पसंद है? क्योंकि उन्हें इतना कुछ सीखने मिलता है in a fun environment. They get to learn wonderful things. So Samaya's been learning all about islands, all about tropical life, the food, the culture, just with this experience. Cultures, that's right. So I just hope and wish that may you all holiday all across the world. Because you don't really have to go to Japan to know everything about Japan. You don't have to go to America or India or Australia to know everything about these beautiful countries. So go out there and create an experience at home and enjoy your home holiday. So now some fun ideas how you can actually create a holiday right at home. Now you can create a spa holiday, a sports holiday, a camping holiday where you actually cook things right inside your bedroom tent. You can also plan a holiday to Japan, learn all about the cultures, how they love sushi, how they bring up their kids. You can travel to India, learn all about Bollywood dancing and the spicy food. Then you can holiday all the way to Australia. You can holiday all the way to England. And then you can talk about your auntie Rags and your friend Samaya. Right, Samaya?
Yeah.
So for all the children and all the parents who are working so hard and do not get to holiday, don't you worry. Let me tell you, this experience will be even better than a real holiday. I promise you. Because there's no stress of traveling, there's no stress of packing, there's no stress of airports and passports. You can have all the fun right here in your beautiful home. So send me your pictures, send me your videos, and enjoy your holiday.